Myself, Dr. Ashwin Singara, I heartily welcome you on behalf of my Dr. Set. As per new market trend, it's our online and offline appointment system. Our aim is to provide best service for easy communication between doctors and patients. Let's see our app. First we see our dashboard. On the upper right corner there is notification icon. You can see all the notification from here, and then on the top our profile is there. Below that today's appointment, online patients and offline patients, and then manage your appointment time from here. Add timetable, select days and then time, add from here and then add timetable. Beside it, manage your leave and holidays. Add leave, select type of leave, half leave or full leave, add date, and apply leave. You should always manage your appointment time and leave and holidays for better management. Then now comes receptionist. Here you can add your receptionist, fill this detail and then add receptionist. Once you add receptionist, then that receptionist can log in this app through their mobile number and can manage all the appointments like you. Then appointment time slot. Here you can see booked time slot in dark color and open time slot in white color. You can also give appointment to your offline patient from here. Fill this detail and add appointment. It would be better if you manage both the patient online and offline in this app to avoid mismanagement. Now we see sidebar. First come profile. Here you can see your profile, and if any changes you can do it from here. Then OPD patient list. Here is OPD patient list. You can bifurcate case wise old and new, and appointment wise online and offline. View patient detail, and if any emergency you can cancel the appointment from here and inform to the patient. And when needed, you have to transfer patient from OPD to IPD from here. Select line of treatment, IPD, procedure or operative, and then transfer the patient. Then indoor patient list. Here is indoor patient list, and when treatment is completed you can discharge patient from here. You have to submit bill amount and bill photo and upload it. Then discharge patient list, and time management as we see on dashboard. And here is time duration management. Here you can add per patient time and advance booking days. And then leave management and reception management as we see on dashboard. And then comes advertisement, free camp and health tips. If you want to give any advertisement, or you can also send free camp detail and health tips detail from here. And then come reports. Date-wise patient reports, date-wise income reports, IPD discharge reports, and our service charge reports. And from here you can change your password, and here is privacy policy and terms and condition. You can read it. At last, we will give best treatment and service to the patient. Thanks for giving your valuable time.